Hi everybody, now I would like to teach you about the conditional if clause type 1 such as open condition. Generally we use the open condition in order to talk about things that may or may not happen in future. Now in this session let us learn about the type 1 conditionals if clause very clearly. Conditionals if clause open condition type 1 structure if plus subject plus verb 1, the first form of the verb plus object plus other words comma subject plus can or will or shall or may plus the first form of the verb v1 plus object plus other words. This is the structure that we have to remember regarding conditional if clause such as open condition type 1. According to this structure, we should create number of examples which are related to open condition in order to understand this structure very clearly. Okay, I am going to make you understand the structure which is related to open conditions such as type 1 conditional if clause. Okay, I am taking some examples which are related to open condition type 1. Once again let us see the structure. If plus subject plus verb 1 plus object plus other words comma subject plus can or will or shall or may plus the first form of the verb v1 plus object plus other words. Here let us take this example. Speak well in English. This is one event. You will get a good job. This is another event. Now let us combine these two events by using the conjunction if. Here if is called conjunction such as subordinating conjunction. We are going to join these two events by using the subordinating conjunction such as if regarding open condition. Speak well in English. This is the event. Here the subject is not given. So here the subject YOU is understood before the verb which is in the first form such as speak. If you speak well in English, you will get a good job. Here if you speak well in English, this part is called if clause. And after the comma, the remaining part is called main clause. You will get a good job. How to join these two events? By using the subordinating conjunction if. If you speak well in English, comma, you will get a good job. The part which comes before the punctuation mark comma is called if clause. And the part which comes after the punctuation mark comma is called main clause. Here if clause gives incomplete sense and the main clause gives complete sense. Okay, such type of sentences are called conditional sentences. Help me, I will help you. If you help me, I will help you. Go this way, I will go that way. If you go this way, I will go that way. Speak in English, I will speak in English. If you speak in English, I will speak English. If you study well, you will get good marks. If you read well, you will get a good marks. In such a way, you can create number of examples which are related to type 1 open conditions such as conditionals if clause. For good and all, we need to remember the structure very carefully by practicing it number of times. Okay, this is the information which is related to open condition. For good and all, we use the open condition in order to talk about things that may or may not happen in future. That is the point that we have to remember very carefully regarding open conditions such as type 1 conditionals if clause. Clause is nothing but the part of the sentence which contains another subject and predicate. If you speak well in English, you will get a good job. Subject and predicate. This is the main clause, this is the if clause. First part is called if clause and the second part is called main clause. If clause gives incomplete sense, main clause gives complete sense. Okay, in such a way you can create number of examples related to open condition type 1 conditionals if clause. Okay, in my next session I shall meet you with some other new topic such as type 2 conditionals if clause. Till then, thank you very much.